We'll guide you through how to connect to Wi-Fi on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to go and fully use your laptop, you want to go and connect it to the internet. Wi-Fi is going to be the easiest way. If we look in the bottom right here, you can go and see this symbol. This indicates we aren't currently connected to a network and don't have an internet connection. To go and fully utilize our laptop, be able to go and browse the web, download apps, and basically go and properly use it, we need to have an internet connection. And Wi-Fi is the easiest way to achieve this. And then we can go and be able to go and browse the internet, check our emails, download apps, and just properly use it, because it can't really do much without it. Of course, you may go and have some apps you can use offline, but let's go and get this connected. What you want to do is you want to go and find the Windows Start button, and you can go and move your cursor and go and click on it. Alternatively, you can go and press the Start key. Then what you need to do is go and find Settings. You can go and click on it. Now, what you want to do is you need to come over to the left and you can go and find Network and Internet. You can always go and search for it at the top and go and click there. Now, here we've got Wi-Fi. Make sure it's switched on. If it's currently off, just click on it, switch it on, and you can then click on it. Now, we need to go and find the available networks. So you can go and click there, and it's now going to go and start scanning for the available networks, because there's quite a few here. Make sure you go and find the correct one, because otherwise if you try and join the wrong one with the wrong password, it won't let you. So you can go and click on it. If you've got multiple networks in your house, because of just to go and boost the signal, use the strongest one. You can go and see the bars over to the left here. So this is a good strong one. So I've got it selected, and we can then go and press connect. And then what you need to do is go and enter in the password. So you may have got a custom one. Otherwise, you can usually go and find it on the back of your router, or you can go and check the manual for it. But you probably go and know it. You've probably connected other devices. With it then entered, you can go and press next, and it's going to go and check it. And you can go and see it's now connected and secured. If I look in the bottom right, you can go and see we've got Wi-Fi bars. So now I could go and open up an app which uses it. For example, Microsoft Edge, that's just a default browser. I can go and search for GuideRealm. And as you can see, we're connected. If you found this useful, then leave a like.